Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this vanity makeup station. We have Carla today here with me, our neighbor, and they actually were the ones that did the assemble. I mean, actually, Gerardo, her husband, was the one doing the assemble, and he said that probably is going to take you about like in between 45 to 60-minute tops with power tools. So it's pretty important to have the power tools in case that you don't want to ask for help or something like that. Just power tools. It's not a must-have, but it's going to make things easier. So with that being said, on the assemble, I'm going to show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds. But this one, bottom line, it is a compact one because it's not super big. As you can see, it's about like 54 inches tall by 35 inches wide. But also comes with 11 bulbs with 3 dimmable modes, a power outlet, and 4 drawers. And of course, this one right here, this stool over here, just to sit, and you can see that you can have makeup in your own bedroom, your home office, your makeup station, your bathroom, just name it. Let's take a closer look. Okay, super fast and easy. The first thing while Carla is finishing her makeup and everything is gonna be that right here you have the 11 bulbs. This part right here, the mirror is separated from the actual assemble. You need to do the bottom part first and then put this one on top. And then I'm gonna show this one to you on a close-up in a few seconds, but just bottom line, take a look at this. You have off and then on, the cold mode, and this is going to be the super cold one. So you have the 3 mode, like the light modes, and then you have also, take a look at this, you can dim the lights in case that you're applying the makeup at night or something like that and you don't want to bother others. So now let's take a real close-up. Okay, it comes with 4 drawers. You can see the one in the middle, which is gonna be your main one, and then you have this 3 on the side that I can say that these are pretty spacious. I think that this could be also for, like, let's say that you're also working, like they say that you're putting your laptop or something like that. You can put right there cables or just like makeup stuff, like all this stuff, like perfume, colognes, and things to apply for your makeup. And of course, the other good thing right here is, as you can see, it comes right here with a hanger for either the hair dryer or more of the other things that I don't know the name of these things, but you can put them right here on the side with this hanger, which, by the way, also it is a like a tumbler holder. If you want to put right here a tumbler with your water or something like that, you can do it as well. Also on this side, you're gonna find a powered outlet with 2 USB-A ports and 2 AC outlets. So you can actually put the lights in there if you want. You can plug the lights. You can plug the lights separately in another outlet on your wall if you want. Just like leave the other ones free. But if not, you have the 2 USB-As and the AC outlets as well. Here you have another closer look over there. You can see all the lights. You can see the mirror, and of course the surface over there just to put all your makeup, as well as if you want to put like a bag like that one, and the main drawer as well. And of course, the other good thing about this one is that this one right here is the stool that is gonna actually withstand up to 250 pounds, and then you can put it kind of like in a space saver mode and put it underneath the actual vanity. So bottom line, if you need a compact and reliable vanity makeup station for your daily makeup, your weekly makeup, or just to have something super nice to organize all your makeup things in your room, you have this one with the 11 bulbs, the 3 modes, the light modes. You have also the holders for the hair dryer, or also the power outlet right there as well, with these tools up to 250 pounds and all the drawers. This could be the one, but remember, husbands, if you're there, happy wife, happy life.